Hi guys, Sppd here. Got a quick video for you. 1 5-pin Yale, beautiful padlock, key retaining, re-pinnable core. I'm going to use a pry bar on this, Peterson toothed one, and a deforest half diamond. Got to be quick because I haven't got a lot of space left on my videos, well, on this actual tablet. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, another quick fill. There we go. Picked open, key retaining, so when I snap it back it should lock back up. There you go. Picked. Thanks again, Rick Wells. Thanks for sending that lovely lock. Joins the other ones I've got. Sppd out.